Hello friends, good morning. Today we will discuss about previous year questions of SSC section officer audit 2003 of biology section. These are my credentials. So let's begin friends. Which of the following food crop has the maximum content of protein? Cassava, soyabean, wheat, maize. So friends, if we talk about food crops apart from animal sources, soyabean is a significant and cheap source of protein. Soyabean contain 40% of the dry weight of protein. So here correct answer is B. It has the maximum content of protein. Where did the new form of pneumonia SARS start? A. Canada, Singapore, China, Thailand. Friends, SARS stand for severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is a SARS, it is a serious form of pneumonia and it is caused by a virus that was first identified in 2003. Infection with SARS virus cause acute respiratory distress which causes severe breathing difficulty and sometimes death. So SARS was first seen in China. So correct answer is C. The total number of vertebrae in a human being is 26, 30, 29, 33. So first we have to know about what is vertebra. It is also known as vertebral column, and if we talk about our backbone or spine, it is a bony structure. This is found in vertebrates. So it is a characteristic features of vertebrates and it is formed from the vertebra. So total number of vertebra present in human being is around 33. Its correct answer is 33. On the average, what percentage of human body has the element of oxygen? 65, 25, 10, 5%. So oxygen is an element that is obviously the most important element in the human body, and oxygen atom are present in the water as a compound, and it is also present in our blood, and this is we require oxygen from the lungs during respiration. So total percentage of human body has the element of oxygen is around 65%. So correct answer is A. BCG vaccination is to be given to a newborn child immediately after birth, within 48 hours, within 7 days, within 6 months. So friend, BCG vaccine actually given for the protection against tuberculosis. It is a live bacterial vaccine that is given for protection against tuberculosis disease, and इसको दिया जाता है within 48 hours में. Newborns are vaccinated within 48 hours of birth. So correct answer is B. The hybrid between horse and donkey is called A. Pony, B. Colt, C. Mule, D. Zebra. So correct answer is C. Mule is a hybrid between horse. It is a horse mare, that means female horse, and a donkey stallion. It is a male donkey. So this mule have both characters. This contain combination of trait from both parents. So this is a mule, which is a hybrid between horse and donkey. Is a disease of skin, lungs, liver, eyes. So glaucoma क्या है? Glaucoma is an eye disease in which the optic nerve is damaged in a characteristic pattern, and this can permanently damage vision in the affected eyes and leads to blindness. अगर इसको treat नहीं करेंगे, then it will leads to blindness. It is normally associated with increased fluid pressure in the eye, that means in increased pressure in aqueous humor. So this is a eye disease. The chemical used for destroying fungi in water tank is copper sulphate, magnesium sulphate, zinc sulphate, nitric acid. Copper sulphate क्या है? Copper sulphate is a blue stone. It is a blue color compound and it is known as blue stone or blue vitriol. That means copper sulphate is a chemical compound that is produced commercially by reacting copper compound and sulfuric acid, and this compound act as a fungicide. So dissolved form of copper sulphate is used against or destroying the fungi in water tank. So correct answer is A. Human kidney disorder is caused by the pollution of cadmium, iron, cobalt, carbon. Cadmium is a environment pollutant and it may cause serious health effect in men. It is most toxic element to which men can be exposed at work or in the environment. Once it is absorbed, cadmium is efficiently retained in the human body in which it accumulate throughout the life. And जो कैडमियम होता है that is primarily toxic to the kidney, especially to the proximal tubular cells. जो proximal tubular cells are present in the kidney उनके लिए बहुत टॉक्सिक होता है. वही जो होती हैं proximal जो tubular cells है, this is the main site of accumulation. So this cadmium accumulate in the kidney and may sometime cause kidney failure when it is accumulated in a very high amount. So cadmium is a correct answer. Dehydration in human body is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin, salt, hormone, water. So dehydration क्या है? Dehydration is the condition where there is a acute shortage of water in our body. This occur when the amount of water leaving our body is greater than the amount of water consumed. So dehydration basically क्या है? It is a shortage of water in our body. So correct answer is D. Who among the following analyzed the DNA for the first time? Arthur Cornberg, Hargobind Khurana, M.W. Nirenberg, Watson and Crick. James T. Watson and Francis Crick, the two scientists who discovered the structure of DNA in 1953, Watson and Crick took a crucial concept step, and they suggested that this DNA molecule was made up of two chains of nucleotides. Who among the following bears the smallest living cell? A. Bacterium, B. Mycoplasma, C. Virus, D. Yeast. So the world's smallest cells are the mycoplasmas, which causes a type of pneumonia in human body and the disease of coconut tree. So mycoplasma are the smallest living cell on the earth. So correct answer is B. Yawning occur due to excess concentration of CO2 in blood, due to excess concentration of CO2 in lungs, due to excess concentration of oxygen in lungs, D. None of these. So first of all we have to understand what is yawning. Yawning means ubasi lena in Hindi. So this occurs due to the excess concentration of CO2 in when one's body blood contain increased amount of carbon dioxide and therefore become in need of the influx of ऑक्सीजन दैट ए यॉन कैन प्रोवाइड. जब भी हमारी बॉडी में CO2 की एक्सेस हो जाएगी ब्लड के अंदर, देन यॉनिंग अकर्स टू नीड दिस अकर्स ड्यू टू द नीड ऑफ द इन्फ्लक्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए यॉनिंग होती है. विच अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग लिविंग बीइंग हैज़ रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन बट डज नॉट हैव ब्रेन? Crab, starfish, bloodsucker, silverfish. So correct answer is B. Starfish lacks centralized brain, but it has a complex nervous system with nerve ring around its mouth and its arms. So it does not have brain. So correct answer is B. Which vitamin helps in blood coagulation? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E. So here vitamin K is a group of structurally similar fat soluble vitamin that are needed for the post translational modification of certain protein that is required for the blood coagulation, and in metabolic pathway it is also required for the bone. So vitamin K is indirectly involved in blood coagulation. So correct answer is C. Vitamin K helps in blood coagulation. So friends, I am stopping my video here and we will discuss our 2000 previous year of 2004 exam in next video, previous year questions. So friends, thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.